Hi guys, welcome again to our video channel, this YouTube. Okay, so today is Sunday. Ngayon ay church anniversary mamayang 2 p.m. So, we're busy here. Kaya naman, meron tayong topic for today about faith and inspirational topics vlog. So, let's start. First is a day in my life with God. Kayo, may ma-share ba kayo? A day in my life with God. Ano yung relationship mo kay Lord? Morning routine plus devotional. So, sa morning routine, after mo gumising, before you sleep, and after you wake up, you should pray. That's what I do. I pray. I thank God for everything. And I recognize Him in my life. I recognize His presence, accept deliverance, faith goals. Tapos, I usually read Bible if after the time I pray for my devotion so that I can understand His word. I can hear His voice, His message. Yeah. Bible verse reflection. Yan yung ginagawa ko. Like, I read Psalms, which is awit. Kasi nandun yung mga word ni Lord na sa pagpupuri sa Kanya. And how to grow spiritually in 2026. Mas kumapit ka kay Lord. Para mag-grow ka, huwag kang bumitaw. If you are feel abandoned or I feel na let go ka na to, nasa sayo yan. But I can say na magpatuloy ka sa Diyos. Magpatuloy ka kay Lord kasi without Him, you can do nothing. Faith plus heartbreak healing story. Marami. Kasi nasa breaking season ka, nire-refine ka ni Lord, pinapaganda ka, ang ingay ng manok. In your heartbreak, dyan rin nabibuild yung faith mo kay Lord. Dyan mas nagiging strong yung relationship mo sa Kanya. Sa times na down ka, hindi mo alam kung ano gagawin, just pray, pause, and repose. Come back to God again. Testimony how God changed my life. Marami. Until now, binabago pa rin ako ni Lord kasi marami rin akong downfall, sin na nagagawa. That's why I just humble myself to God. I come to Him as I am. Christian girl, talk love, waiting season, and purpose. Sa love, as you rush, don't rush. You know what I mean? People come and go, but right person stay. Right person stays. If kayo talaga. In waiting season, learn to hold on to God's promises. Learn to talk to God more. Deepen your relationship to Him. And in season, there is a purpose. Be purposeful. Huwag kang bibitaw. Magpatuloy ka lang, kapatid. God bless.